The remote services that we began to offer really just came from us having to be creative during COVID when there was travel restrictions. We had equipment on the way into us that was sold to customers abroad that would normally have one of our technicians go out and do an on-site field installation and training. So we had to quickly start to figure out how do we still deliver this equipment, get the customer taken care of, and get them up and running once the equipment arrived at their place. So we began, as a part of when we were testing the equipment in-house, we provided a full training video that actually they got to use for multiple operators, and we'd send it off to them as a YouTube link so they could then look at that over and over and over again as required, just to refresh their memory on anything that they may need to and or onboard new employees that might be working with that piece of equipment as well in the future. Better long-term solution for the customer and for us to deliver to the customer than having to schedule a technician to go back out and retrain new staff if there was turnover by any chance. The process got more refined over time as we just continued to get better at it. We took customer feedback of things maybe that we could have done a bit better as we developed more videos going forward for different pieces of equipment. Took all that feedback in. We also watched our own video and realized where we could get better at it and get more clear on the instructions as to what has to happen when the equipment arrives at the customer's facility.
It gives us flexibility that other companies might not have if they got to send a technician out or make you sign a service agreement every time they come, or they might not provide support at all until they're able to come and see your machine in person, get their hands on it, that kind of thing. And before they do that, they make you sign an agreement or send a payment of some kind. Whereas at Empire, we're much more flexible than that. We're able to diagnose things remotely. Specifically with our plasma tables, we can log into the control. Other machines as well, CNC folders. We can see what's going on behind the scenes and provide support that doesn't take very long. So then sometimes it's not something that we have to charge for. Or it's just a service that we provide where we're there for our customers. If you call us right away, as we know where things are at and what's going on, we can try and help you get back up and running. And we will always lay this out for the customer ahead of time so that they're aware of, hey, what am I entitled to, or what sort of support am I going to get from Empire when I make this investment in my business.
Feedback we're getting from customers is one, that they're surprised as how smoothly it went, that the information we provided to them before the equipment arrives was very thorough and easy to understand. Easy to follow through on the steps that are required on their part to get the equipment in and up and running, and then connecting with our service team here for the remote training. They get to be up and running that much more quickly by us pivoting to this new sales process that we have now.
When customers are buying equipment from Empire, you're involved with us in a way that allows us to continue a relationship into the post-sale timeframe, whether it's during the warranty period or ongoing 5-10 years down the road where you're trying to maintain that piece of equipment. You bought it from us, we knew a starting point where that was, and we've helped you along the way diagnose things or support you on different aspects of just owning and operating and maintaining a piece of equipment. So all those situations are unique depending on what the customer has available to them, where they're located. We have customers from coast to coast, up north, way down in the south. So there's so many different aspects to buying a piece of equipment that isn't just, hey, I'm going to send a purchase order and get this piece of equipment coming in and run it in my shop. It's logistics, getting it there, unloading, install, training, ongoing support. Where do I get my parts from? Empire provides all of those aspects.
We're there for follow-up questions after the fact. We're there to support the customer for as long as they have the piece of equipment.